Hey, if tinfoil is showing the wrong language, yeah, that can make navigating really confusing. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix tinfoil's language settings so everything displays correctly. First, open tinfoil and go to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Even if the language is wrong, the gear icon is usually in the same spot. Next, scroll through Settings and find the language option. It might be labeled as Language, Idioma, or something similar depending on your current display. Click the drop-down to see all available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list. For most users, this will be English, but select whichever you're comfortable with. After selecting, Tinfoil may ask you to restart the app. Close Tinfoil completely and reopen it. The interface should now display in your chosen language. If the language still isn't correct, try uninstalling and reinstalling Tinfoil. During installation, make sure to select the correct language if prompted. So, yeah, opening settings, selecting the right language, restarting or reinstalling usually fixes wrong language issues in Tinfoil. After these steps, your interface should be easy to read and navigate.